What's up, you guys? I just wanted to share with you my tuna pasta recipe. It's easier for you to make, less ingredients, and definitely delicious. Anyhow, these are the ingredients: San Remo linguine, Nestle cream, century tuna and adobo flavor, jolly mushroom, and lastly, cream of mushroom. Of course, first up, saute the onion. Afterwards, put the tuna adobo flavor. Oh, by the way, don't forget to flatten or smash the chopped part of the tuna. Now you can add on the cream of mushroom. Just mix it well with the tuna, and afterwards you can add on the jolly mushroom as well. And just wait for a few minutes. Let's cover it up. Since the cream of mushroom is a little bit already, now you can add the Nestle cream. Since you already mixed all the ingredients together, now you can add on the pasta. Now guys, take note, don't ever rinse your pasta, because what it will do, it removes the starch, which it is a no-no, because starch holds and absorbs the sauce. The only time that you can rinse your pasta is when you make a salad. Now take note about it. Okay? There you go, guys. In less than 15 minutes, you got your tuna pasta ready. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Now, don't forget to like, comment down below, share, and subscribe. See you next time for a lot of recipe to come.